yesterday. Hey, this is Wreckerman Stan. I just out here with one of my last tow trucks that, thank God, I was smart enough to keep so Stanley could do something. Hello. Anyways, this is how you it's amazing. This camera, this camera doesn't work that if you're like going long distance, but I'm telling you, I'm in the dark, and when you put this camera in the dark, it just lights up. It's amazing. Anyways, this thing, that's your hydraulic motor. These are your winch lines. The direction of the fluid comes up here, and it makes it go one way, and then the direction of fluid up here makes it go a different direction. But it's that little dinky motor, that little dinky little motor goes into here, into some gears, and that's what makes your winch go roundy round. And then there's your this truck here has got 2 rams on it, and that's a valve breaker that has something to do with making it go up and down. But we're getting ready to send this one off to get gonna get it sandblasted, not the frame, of course. Well, yeah, maybe he could do that. You know what? If I just remove them hoses and that hydraulic line and that brake line looks kind of shitty. He could sandblast from there. We could sandblast this whole frame rail. Yeah, I don't know if I want to do that. That's a lot of effort. And that there, somebody cut that off. What the hell's going on there? There's bullets. So that's why there's bullets all up there. That's just, you know what's going on here? The wrong transmission. I'm supposed to have that transmission over there in the van. But anyways, that hydraulic motor, as you can see, it's leaking. Well, it's not leaking now, but when you get working it, like with a load, it'll start leaking. It'll leave a puddle of oil on the ground. So, yeah, when you're towing cars, you're pulling into people's houses, shops ain't as bad, but you still don't want to leave oil everywhere. You know, that's very unprofessional. Makes people think you don't take care of your stuff. And, there's my transmission. Rebuilt by Dave Bradford. Actually, not Dave Bradford. He probably helped, but it was Dave Bradford's son, which I need to get a hold of. Don't know his name, really. If anybody knows how to get a hold of Dave Bradford, he's a mechanic. He's dead now, I guess. Apparently, he died back in 2000. I'm not sure when he died. 2018. I'm not positive. But yeah, if you know how to get a hold, if you know Dave Bradford, Anchorage, Alaska, and you know his son, I'd like to get a hold of him. He's like, I heard he's one of the few people that come out here and tried to look up on me, so I'd want to call him thank you. And maybe we could, me and his dad were good friends, I thought, so I helped his dad out. His dad helped me out, so I don't know, maybe you'll help me put that transmission in. That'd be cool. Anyways, that's my, that's Lorraine's white van. That's one of the cars I impounded, and don't remember where I impounded it from, but I did and gave it to Lorraine. That's a $5,000 pressure washer, believe it or not. But it's probably not now, but it was then. This is my truck I bought at the auction for $500. Put license plates on it. It's actually a nice truck. Doesn't have a bumper on it. It's got that stupid roll pan crap. Somebody painted the black thing on the bumper, or on the tailgate, white. Guess they're in the white out mode. But yeah, I got it for $600. Nothing really wrong with it. But we didn't have the key for it, so we just put another ignition. I put another ignition in it. Didn't think nothing of it. Started up, driving around. It was great. I was like, cool. So we were getting ready to change the ABS on it or something, do something. Like, yeah, we were changing the ABS, and Stanley accidentally locked the door. So we jimmied it open. And the alarm was going off. Yeah. If you don't turn this PTO off, your light don't go off. So, anyways, the alarm was going off. We unlocked the door, and we probably should have disconnected the battery and then hooked the battery back up, the battery cable. But I just got in there and I just turned the ignition on, and it did something to the computer and locked it up. Like somebody was trying to steal it, so it shut down the computer. And that's the only thing wrong with that truck. Just needs somebody to come over here that knows about computers to fix it somehow. We don't got a computer. Anyways, I gotta get the dogs. Anyways, comment, like, and share, and all that good stuff. If you like something, maybe somebody else might like it too. So anyways, have a wonderful day, a wonderful life, and I will talk to you on the next video. Oh, you want to be on the video, Remington and Dexter? There you are. Hey, baby. There you are. Don't jump on me now.